Family law encompasses a broad area of the law. It includes divorce, which can be complex as you're having to deal with custody and also the division of assets, such as maybe a family business. And then we handle custody matters themselves. Those are issues between the parties. They can include the intervention of the Department of Child Services, maybe even a grandparent or other family member or non-party coming in trying to seek custody or guardianship of a child. And then we handle other cases like child support, parenting time issues, college expenses, and grandparent visitation cases, as well as adoptions. If there's a case out there that concerns a family member or a child, we're going to be involved.
I think it's important for the clients to know that they can trust us with some of the most important issues in their lives, and that we'll respect their confidentiality as well as treat their concerns with respect. We need to know them well so that we know what their issues are and we understand what's important to them and what is, in their eyes, the best outcome.
When I have a client approach me about a family issue that they're having, the first thing that we do is set a legal advice consultation. At that point, they come into my office, we sit down, we get to know each other. You really have to trust the lawyer that you hire, because you are going to be with them a long time and you're going to be dealing with issues that are very personal for you.
Divorce is right up there with the death of a loved one as one of the most stressful times in a person's life, and it's important to keep that in mind as we're working.
Our clients are saying, they keep me informed, I know exactly what's going on. You know, Raymond told me what my options were, I chose to go with this option. And I like to do that. I like to give them options because I think ultimately they're the ones that need to decide how they want to pursue their case. It shouldn't be me, it should be them. It's their lives.
One of the benefits that the clients at Bamberger have is that we have other attorneys who can help as issues arise. For instance, a real estate matter might require input from one of our real estate attorneys, or if there are trusts or estate planning matters that arise in your divorce action, we have people that we can consult to make sure that we're handling those issues well. We at Bamberger have a lot of experience at working with third-party professionals as issues come up in a divorce case. For instance, we work with accountants. We work with therapists or counselors or psychologists. We work with parenting coordinators or guardian ad litems to deal with communication issues and how to move forward in co-parenting. The goal in working with third parties is to minimize the risk, minimize the negative repercussions of a divorce, and to minimize the emotional impact that a divorce can have.